In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClipDrop Uncrop. This tool is great when you want to quickly reframe an image, extend its canvas, or prepare it for a specific layout without losing the main subject. I'll walk you through the entire process from opening the site to downloading your result, and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by heading to clipdrop.co in your web browser. Any modern browser will work, but a current version of Chrome, Edge, or Safari tends to give the smoothest experience. Once the homepage loads, look for the navigation at the top and click on Tools. This opens the full collection of ClipDrop features so you can pick exactly what you need. From the list, select Uncrop. This is the tool designed to intelligently recompose your image. It's especially useful if you have a tight crop and want extra space around your subject for text, thumbnails, or social posts, or if you're adapting an image to a new aspect ratio. On the Uncrop page, click the area that says Click, Paste, or drop a file here to start. You can upload from your computer, drag and drop an image directly into the window, or paste from your clipboard if you've just copied something. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For best results, choose a clear, reasonably high-resolution image, and make sure you have the rights to edit it. Once your image is loaded, you'll see handles or buttons around the image boundaries. Drag these to adjust the crop. Think of this as defining how much of the original you want to keep and where you want the canvas to be extended. You can reposition the frame so your subject sits nicely within the composition, and you can widen or heighten the canvas to create space for backgrounds or text. If you're aiming for a specific platform, roughly match the shape here. Wider for landscape banners, taller for stories or vertical posts. Small, precise moves often lead to cleaner results, so take a moment to fine-tune the edges. When you're happy with the framing, click Next to download. The tool will process your changes and generate the updated image. After a brief wait, you'll get a download option. Save the file to your device and give it a quick check. If you want a different composition, go back, tweak the handles, and run it again. Depending on your account, higher resolutions or watermark-free outputs may require signing in. That's all there is to it. With ClipDrop Uncrop, you can reframe images in seconds and get them ready for any layout. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.